The KeepgoFi mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. It comes in this very nice package box, and it's got a very convenient strap. And here is the device. Take it out. It's very nice, and to turn it on, you just hold the button for a second, and then it will start up. And you saw the screen flicker, and it takes a moment, and it's starting up. And then let's have a look on the side here. This is where you charge it, and it's very important to use the charger and the cable that it comes with. The top here is the power bank feature. The reason it's important to use the cable is that the charging time will be really long otherwise, and the device won't work properly. Here on the back you can see the product ID, KF018593. You can also see it on the screen. Here it's starting up, it's searching for network, it's 0%. And to switch screens, I just tap the button again, and here I can get information including the name of the Wi-Fi network, the password, as well as the device ID. As it's searching for network, as it's starting up, you're not going to see this information. Later on it's going to pop up. Let's see, while it's doing that, what's in the box. And so I pull this casing out, and here we have the user guide, the quick user guide. A few pages, it gives some more information, regulatory information, and then in here we have the cable and the charger. This is for the US, and then there's an adapter for pretty much the rest of the world. And here, let's see what's going on with it. It's at 30%. It's taking its time this time, which is, here we can see the information on the second screen, and now it's up to 45%. I wanted to show you when charging the device what happens. So let's bring it over here closer to the charger, and I just open the side here, the covering, and then I just gently plug it in, and then the light goes on, and that's when I know it's charging, is when the light is on. And then we're at 75% now. It's taking it a little bit longer, 90%, and it should connect. And you can see the charging, and you can see the Wi-Fi searching for network, the charging, the bars up here, how much the battery is. And then the second screen as well, it has the Wi-Fi network name, the password, as well as the ID we can see, and it matches what's on the back. Let's see, it's connected. You can see 3G, there's that number next to the Wi-Fi signal, shows you the number of devices connected. Remaining data 1 gigabyte, and there's 356 days left. That's it.